In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signature with logo dynamically in Salesforce. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature that automatically includes your company logo whenever you send an email from Salesforce Lightning Experience. First, make sure you're signed in to Salesforce Lightning. From the main interface, look to the top right corner where you'll find your user profile icon. Click that to open the user menu and choose Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area, which is where Salesforce keeps options that affect only your user account, including your email preferences and signature. Inside Settings, focus on the left-hand navigation. Find the Email section, then select My Email Settings. If you don't see it right away, use the Quick Find search box at the top of the sidebar. Start typing Email Settings, and the option will appear. Opening My Email Settings brings up all the fields related to how your messages are sent, including your name, default email name, and most importantly, your signature editor. Next, locate the signature area. In some layouts, you'll see a signature item in the menu and then an email signature field on the page. Both lead to the same place where you can edit the content that appears at the bottom of your emails. The editor supports plain text and basic HTML, which is how we'll add a logo that renders consistently across different email clients. In the signature box, you'll enter a simple HTML image tag. Type the following and we'll replace the placeholder in a moment. The SRC attribute points to where the image is hosted, and the alt text provides a helpful description if the image can't load. Keep the tag exactly like this for now, so we have a clear placeholder to swap with a real link. Place your cursor between the quotation marks of the SRC attribute where it currently says Your Image URL. Now you need a direct link to your logo image file. You can use a logo hosted on your company's website, a public file location, or a content delivery service. For a quick demonstration, you can also find an image on the web, then right-click it and choose Copy Image Address to grab the direct URL. Be mindful of image licensing and reliability. For professional use, it's best to host your logo on a location your organization controls, and that's publicly reachable without authentication, so recipients can load it. Return to the signature editor, make sure your cursor is still inside those quotation marks, and paste the image URL you copied. Your tag should now point to a real image. If your editor supports previews, you may see the logo appear. If not, don't worry. Once saved, it will render in outgoing emails. A few tips as you finalize this. Keep your logo file reasonably small, so emails load quickly. A transparent PNG or optimized SVG, if supported, works well. If the image appears too large in tests, you can add width or height attributes to the tag later to scale it, but start simple to confirm it loads correctly. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the signature. If you were just experimenting and don't want to keep the change, you can instead click Cancel to exit without saving. After saving, your new signature will be automatically appended to emails sent from Salesforce, and recipients should see your logo along with any text you've included. That's it. You navigated to Settings, opened My Email Settings, edited the email signature, inserted a dynamic image tag, replaced the placeholder with your logo's URL, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set this up in your own org.